This is Vivaan. I'm going to read this book. 365 Panchatantra Story book. The story is The Two-Headed Bird. Once, there lived a two-headed bird called Barunda. One day, the first head found a golden fruit. The first head started eating. And the second head pleaded, please can I eat? But the other head told, we have only one stomach. Whoever eats the fruit will go into the same stomach. Then the first head ate the golden fruit, everything. So one day the second bird saw a poisonous fruit and I will eat this fruit and take revenge. The other head said, don't eat this food or else we'll die. But the two-headed bird, the other head, was not listening and ate the poisonous fruit, and the two-headed bird was dead. Now I'm going to read. There lived a two-headed bird named Arunda. One day, he found a golden fruit. One of the two heads started eating the fruit and found it very tasty. The other head said, let me taste it first. The first head replied, we have only one stomach. Whichever head eats the fruit will go to the same stomach. One day, other head found a tree bearing poisonous fruit. He took the poisonous fruit and told the first head, I will eat this poisonous fruit and take revenge. The first head yelled, please don't eat this. Eat it. If you eat it, we will die. But the other head refused to listen, ate the fruit. Thus, the two-headed bird died. Thanks for watching my video. If you see my video, just press the right button. Bye.